really heavy, really heavy, really heavy.
Light. There's something was hiding in the bottom of the box. That's the coupon book. Coupons for applications, sharing photos, etc., etc. I could have lifted it out with these handles. I should have known HP does this. It would have been much easier to just pull it out with this. If you watch this video, may take advantage of it. I missed it. Now it's covered in plastic, and the instructions show us and we remove all the tape in the packing material, so I'm going to go to town on that. There sure is enough of it to go around. Let's see where to start. Out here. This may not be exactly the same as production either, but there's a lot of tape and plastic to remove from this device here. Cardboard piece from the duplex unit goes. Protecting the beautiful finish, lots of pieces of that. Beautiful glossy finish. This plastic bag. Okay, so far it's just been a lot of plastic and tape, a little bit of a cardboard piece in the tray here. Output tray just clicks right in there. Very familiar. Looks very familiar because this is based on this Officejet 6500 that we tested about a year ago. Biggest change is this touch screen. Styling is a little more contemporary. So let me see if there's anything else left that we have to do. It's around. All the ports are over here. Power, fax, networking, USB. So let's get the duplex unit. Take the plastic off. This little thing hooks into there, so you put this corner in first, and then it snaps right in. So maybe that'll save you a little bit of agita if you watch the video. Okay. There's a pink thing in here with tape. I don't know. It's no specific instructions on this printed documentation to deal with this taped orange thing over here. And it looks as though we might have to wait until we power it on and take that out. Okay, so let's get it plugged in. Instructions tell us next thing they want us to do is plug it in and turn it on. So we'll gladly oblige. This has to be cut out of the video, this time wasting. Okay, you have it plugged in. Now I'm going to turn it on.